Yeah. Hey guys. Hey, how far can you fly from you or whatever?
As far as you can see it.
Okay.
It's got a range longer than
I
that.
bet my daughter's a couple blocks over and you're coming that far.
That's a 30cc weed whacker.
Oh, no.
Stand behind the prop. Saturday and Sundays, unless the soccer Nazis are out here.
Okay guys, we're gonna give it a shot. Nice sunset. Nice time of the night for it. Yeah, I had a little Goshawk, a little 64 mil, a cheapie. Put a little takeoff flaps on here, guys.
Yeah, I've had a flying lawnmower out here before.
Where you at?
Yeah,
okay, we got Daryl over there.
Put together.
All right, I'm taking off, buddy.
Go ahead. Just we'll follow each other, but I'll watch you. You watch me.
I'll follow you. How's that sound?
Okay, follow me.
I'm not going to do that stuff yet. I'm still feeling it out here a little bit.
I'm upside down.
I thought you would. Alright, we gotta go to the
Yeah.
Let's put our flaps up here, right?
Yeah, we come out on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Except tomorrow.
We got 6 girls and 6 granddaughters.
Oh.
Boys and girls.
Okay.
Alright,
You too. I'm still upside down, so.
I'm staying behind you. This thing really does fly itself.
Done chasing you now. I won't full speed it because I'm faster than you are. We're going over the neighborhood over there. I was.
I'm not.
No, I was. It don't seem like I am, but.
That's because they're so big. All right, I'm inverted now.
Are you? Oh yeah. It's hard. How's that thing fly inverted?
It flies like unbelievable. Hardly any up.
That's
I mean, just a little bit of up on it is all it needs. Says we got 2 minutes 54 left here. Probably ought to bring this thing down a little bit so people can see a little. I'm going to kind of keep it low and close, okay?
Yeah. I'll be up higher. Shit, mine you can see. I'm just coasting. You notice something's not loose.
Yeah, I don't hear the rattling. Doing a lot better, isn't it?
I got Mike's helicopter battery in here.
Somebody said they wanted a low and slow. Erickson Center. Hard guy to please, I guess.
A what?
I don't know. I don't think he's liked any of my videos.
Who?
Just one viewer. I'm not going to mention his name again.
Oh.
I'm not sure it's him either. But he's like, he expected to see this thing fly low in bush style, so we'll give him a...
Low and bush style?
Yeah,
all right,
that's what he was
go.
waiting for there. Bring it up before I get to those trees.
I'm going to fly low and bush style. Is that low and bush style enough for people?
I'd say that was a bush style, low and slow.
I'll even do it again. I like those.
Now do it low and slow with the flaps on, right?
I don't got flaps. How low can you go? Oh, Daryl's buzzing us. Oh my God. Alright, I'm gonna land.
How's this for low and slow, huh? You coming in?
Yeah, I'll go around again. I'm gonna skip in the pattern.
We got planes in the air here, guys.
I'm gonna go around again in the pattern, and then this will be my last. I'm gonna land this time.
Nice landing, buddy.
Hey, does anybody notice it's
It's like no wind at all, man. This is dead calm. First time I've flown, and I don't know how long without any wind at all. It's kind of nice to fly the airplane instead of having to fly the wind.
Hey, what am I doing again, Skip? You gotta tell the viewers what I'm doing again.
I can't see what you're doing and flying my plane at the same time, buddy.
I'm bringing mine home in one piece.
Hey! Dave Garrett will like that. Damn it, Daryl! Fucker.
Yes, folks, I'm bringing my plane home in one piece.
I'd like to.
I'd like to almost sell that Avastar and buy another fuselage.
Whoa. Well, he was going down, I was going to go up, and I think we had the same idea about the same time and switched off real quick. Could have been close. Could have been nasty. All right, it says I'm supposed to land according to my timer. Alright, final approach. Let's put our flaps on. Let's bring it down a little closer first here. Flaps up. And Carbon Z. Cessna 150 from Power Hobby, guys. I love this plane. And my concerns about the front gear being strong enough, it seems to be handling this field just fine. So, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. We will probably be wrapping it up now. But more to come tomorrow. Sunday, the Crash Disc boys should get together. We'll get probably Daryl and Mike and Marty. And crazy Daryl there. He almost took me out a couple times. Yeah, it's not the micro either. He's got the big Waco out. Waco.
Maybe I'll sell that Avistar and buy another fuselage for that 26cc BS engine I got. Try and get that thing running.
Thanks, guys.